When you're loading your boat back onto the trailer, you want to make sure your bow eye is touching the bow roller. We're going to make sure our winch is locked, and now you're ready to leave the ramp. When you're pulling your boat out of the water, make sure you pull it very gradually. This will allow the boat to sit nice and evenly on the bunks on the trailer. You'll know your boat's on the trailer correctly when your rivet of the boat is off the bunk. If this rivet is on the bunk, your boat is off alignment. When you're ready for travel, you're going to put your transom straps on this hook right here, and winch them tight. Finally, make sure both of your T-bar and your transom plugs are out. Now you're ready to hit the road.